Assalamualaikum and hi. Hi, Dawish Hisham. This is my friend.
Muhammad Razi, and my name is Arif.
We are from Group Collider. From the activity, we select air conditioner our as our engineering example.
This system is located at our classroom and office. This example is related to a mechanical and electrical because it involves the thermodynamic and electrical circuit.
This engineering system helps society by essentially making modern city life possible, transforming harsh, unlivable climates into thriving communities. Without this system, people may face problems such as unbearable living conditions during heat wave and heavily polluted indoor air. In the past, this process has done by harvesting natural ice and relying entirely on the mercy of the weather. Today, engineering has improved it by creating intelligent HVAC technology that can cool massive skyscrapers using fraction of the energy.
Okay, Assalamualaikum dan selamat pagi. Ini saya nak interview Muzammil tentang sistem aircon. Okey Muzammil, boleh tak saya tahu apa penting sistem aircon pada hidupan seharian ataupun waktu study?
Berdasarkan pengalaman saya, penting sistem aircon ni dalam kehidupan harian saya dan ketika belajar, dia bantu mengekalkan suhu badan saya supaya tidak terlalu panas dan bantu saya fokus ketika belajar. Juga pada waktu malam, dia akan bantu saya tidur dengan nyaman.
Okey, untuk soalan kedua, apa masalah yang awak tahu tentang sistem aircon ni?
Pada pendapat saya, sistem aircon ni mempunyai masalah kebocoran bahan pendingin dan juga dia mempunyai kos penyelenggaraan yang sangat tinggi.
Based on our interview, this user said this system helped them by increasing their focus on their study and also make them be more productive. However, one problem that always occurs about this system is the gas leaking and the high maintenance. As a future engineer, we suggest to improve this system by make sure to use high quality equipment and ensure proper design and layout to make sure all the air can flow with properly.